Watch number 397, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, and Hillsborough. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued from Cape Ann to Nantucket to Montauk, New York, including the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, issued at 4:15 p.m., Friday, June 26th. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over the mouth of the Merrimack River. Special marine warning for the Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay. Hazards include 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greater and small hail. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, could be damaged and briefly thunderstorm was located over the mouth of the Merrimack River. Moving southeast include 20 knots of the Merrimack River. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the mouth of the Merrimack River and Plum Island until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located.